Hey everyone, it's Macayla. Does my hair look different? I just spent today getting it done at the Pine by Barb, and if you want to see what we did and how we did it, stay tuned and check us out.
So the products Barb used in lightening my hair today were Solaris No. 6, in which she used a hand painting technique for the back of my hair. And she also used Wella's Blondor, which is powder bleach that she used in foils with 20 vol. And here are the results. This is a mixture of two techniques, balayage and something that some people call foilyage. Together they create a custom and really pretty blonde. Can't wait to be blonde! So sometimes you need a little bit of a kick, and Barb is using her Dyson Supersonic Pro blow dryer to heat up my hair a bit until we get to that level of blonde we want to see. There it is. Alright, all rinsed up with Oribe's Bright Blonde Purple shampoo and conditioner. Time for a blow dry and style. These are the products used to achieve my look today. Outer Space by R+Co. It's their flexible hold hairspray. It is definitely an MVP. Now Barb is just finishing up with her HotTools Pro 1¼ inch Marcel iron. And to top it off, we have a little bit of Skyline by R+Co for texture and oil absorption. I love this product.
Thanks for hanging out and watching with us today, guys. I hope you learned something, and don't forget to subscribe and comment if you have any questions. Talk to us. Let us know what's going on. Tune in next time. Bye!